Since the dawn of humanity, we've been fascinated by the moon and what it is. While modern science tells us that the moon is a natural satellite formed from debris as a result of a meteor, others believe that the origin of the moon and its purpose is up to discussion. Many look to NASA for the ultimate proof, but can we trust them? These are 5 mysterious things on the moon caught on camera by NASA. Let's begin. Number 5. Building on the moon. While it's commonly believed that mankind hasn't visited the moon since the Apollo 17 moon landing in 1972, some suggest that it may be possible that world governments have secretly funded the construction and operation of a series of military bases or other government complexes on the moon. This photo allegedly captures one NASA scientist attempting to hide the evidence of such complexes. According to experts, the photo clearly shows a man-made square structure resembling a building. However, when matched up with satellite images of the moon, the strange formation appears absent. Could it be possible that NASA is covering up a base on the moon? If so, who may be responsible for the creation of the base, and what are their intentions? Number 4. Pyramid on the moon. Panspermia is the concept that life moves through a galaxy through an accidental process wherein chunks of planets and meteors spread bacteria or other life forms from planet to planet. Some have suggested perhaps that life on Earth comes from other planets, the moon, Venus, or even Mars, having traveled by meteor to get there. Others suggest that possibly life may have been spread from the Earth to the moon. This image, captured by the Apollo 17 moon landing crew, allegedly shows a pyramid that was discovered on the moon. Some have suggested that this indicates that perhaps ancient people made their way to the moon where they built their own breakaway civilization. Others have suggested that the pyramid was constructed by the same ancient astronauts allegedly responsible for the construction of the Egyptian pyramids using human slaves. Until we return to the moon, we may never know. Number 3. Moon door. There are some among us who believe that the Earth is hollow inside and that this information is covered up by special interests for their own gain. Like the hollow Earth, some also believe the moon itself is hollow. The idea of the hollow moon dates back hundreds and even thousands of years back to ancient Greece. According to some hollow moon theorists, the moon itself isn't a natural phenomenon. They believe that it was created by alien or spiritual powers for nefarious purposes. This photo may provide evidence to this theory, as a large door-like feature can be seen near the dark side of the moon, which some believe may be used to travel inside and outside of the moon. Number 2. Radio telescope. While some believe that the moon may be used as a military installation, others believe that it may be a type of listening outpost used by foreign powers or aliens to monitor humanity or control it. These photos seem to capture a radar dish that might serve those ends. According to some, the strange object captured in these images is a radio telescope, a special type of antenna resembling a satellite dish that's used by scientists to find evidence of extraterrestrial life or listen to the sounds of the universe. Some believe a high-powered antenna like this on the moon may be used to intercept communications from Earth or send radio messages beyond our planet and solar system, or worse, back to Earth. Number 1. Alien missile. This image captures what appears to be a missile being fired across the moon. We can clearly see its rocket-like shape and the contrail left behind, but why? While some believe that the moon may have already been colonized by several governments, others believe that there may be a secret history of warfare on the moon, either between world governments or humanity and an alien threat. Others believe that the moon may be a black ops research location used by secret organizations to test weapons on the moon which would violate the law on Earth. After all, if you had to test a thermonuclear warhead capable of destroying all life on Earth, wouldn't a barren moon be the best and safest place to test it before you're ready to use it?